mișcare! Remulți-i! Remulți-i! Și dorți, Irin! Remulți-i! Trezești, nu da dreapta ta! Ești greoi, picioară nu lucrează, trezești, gata!
The W1 takes on the second round for weight number 57 kilo. Prochain proposition de numéro 1. En bleu, pour le représentant Ishiro Muksebe. Et en blanc pour la France, Priscilla Neto. Catégorie numéro 3, seconde catégorie moins de 57 kg. En bleu pour la Mongolie, l'Alpha Togo et Trier. Et en blanc pour la Slovénie, Kaya Kaiser.
Nu merge așa! Trezește că n-ați face nimic așa! Trezește! Mai dai mai dur! Joară cu ce stau! Trezește, Irin! Trezește-te, să-ți bine! Ia-mă mai bine! Trebuie să-i dai un atac, trebuie să-i dai un picioară, nu lucrează, picioară nu lucrează, Irin! Nu lucrează picioară! Nu te arunca cu dreapta! Nu da dreapta, nu! Nu cu stânga, cu și dreapta! Pornește motoarele, nu te duc cu dreapta, spun să dai în jos! Ai grijă de dreapta ta!
The W2 golden score.
Mai rapid, direct!
The W1 takes numbers 7 round for main number 60 kilos. Proszę o pozwolenie numer 1. Andrzej Kudrycki, Paweł Ładowiec. I na prawo reprezentacji Julian Brzeże. Proszę zobaczyć, że kamienie Wojtaka, kategorii femminile, Wojtaka femminile procedura, suppresante André Kudrycki, André Gessler, et en blanche de la France, Mélanie Lemouzon. Stop numéro 2, Cold Starting numéro 3, Robinson. The 1-2, next contest, second round for the winner of 14 kilo. Team 2, representing Brazil, Natasha Pereira. Team 1 is representing Japan, Kota Wakana. Capito on Corso. Termine l'attacca, Corso. Winner of the Committee 1 in white jewelry representing Japan, Funakogo Haruka. Funakogo of Japan goes to the semi-final. Nico of France in Croatia. Let's go to the last contest in the race on the Committee 1.
C'était une belle collaboration de la numéro 1 avant les demi-finales européennes. Thank
Koga qualifies for the bronze medal contest. The W2 next contest semi-final for men under 60 kilos.
Tableau numéro 2, prochain combat, demi-finale catégorie moins de 60 kg.
In blue, representing Azerbaijan, Manabal Akhayev. In white, representing Mongolia, Enktaivand Suryabazar.
Tableau numéro 3, Renaud. Tableau numéro 3 est qualifié pour la finale des moins de 60 kg en bleu pour la Russie, Ramazan Adolev. Enktaivand Aryunbold, demi-finale.
We've got the first of the bronze medal contests in the under 60 kilo category coming up now.
For the men under 60 kilogram category.
Koga Genki of Japan goes up against, I better get the right Enktaivand because they're two. This one is Aryunbold. Enktaivand Aryunbold from Mongolia.
Are they related?
I don't know. I suspect that they're brothers. The referee in the middle for this one is
And now, please welcome judoka
Cosmin Christia. Beg your pardon. Sorry about that.
En bleu pour la Mongolie, Ektaivan Soumiyabazar.
It'll be Koga in the white judogi and Enk Taivan in blue.
Please welcome in blue, representing Mongolia, Ektaivan Ariumon.
I think they went to the wrong tatami first of all.
Some of the fighters are new, but so too are some of the coaches.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, they're on a learning curve as well as to what they do and what the protocol is. Here we go, Koga, very famous father, the great Koga, and a lot to live up to, Sheldon, but you know, he's out here fighting for a medal here in Paris. Ektaivan straight up, didn't want any of that.
On the adjoining mat is the junior world bronze medalist, Roman Valadier-Picard.
Yes, he was saying to us last week, wasn't he, that he was just desperate to fight here. Here he is fighting for a medal. Just out the cadets as well.
He's up against the other Enk Taivan.
Well, sometimes we can hardly hear ourselves speak in the commentary position. It's a great situation to be in after such a long time. Well, nice to see that Mongolia are putting out some new ones as well. These two brothers will both really relish the amount of time they've spent on the mat today. Every second out there is experience. And he's got to watch the Uchimata here from Koga, because Koga is set for it. Just defending then, Enk Taivan gets a Shido on the board. Now then, he might have changed the direction there. It's whether there were any hands. I'm not sure the hands. Koga was saying that he swept with the foot. When you've got a technique that's operated by your opponent, and if you manage to redirect that force, then you can get the score for yourself. But sometimes it's just side sacrifice. Went for the juji a couple of times earlier on from there, Koga. Still hasn't attacked. Koga looks to me as if he wants to attack, but still no major attack from him. But Enk Taivan is the one that keeps getting the Shidos. So the posturing here from Koga is superb. Nice Ouchigari there. Enktaivan Ouchigari, and Koga almost counters him.
Half a minute left to go. Time ticking away. Enktaivan's got to come back with something now. 2 Shidos down. Doesn't want to go into golden score with that against him.
No, those 2 Shidos will carry over into a golden score situation. 3 of those and it will all be over anyway.
Koga took a whack to the face there.
I was going to say, I thought he'd done it again. Oh, there's the Uchimata! Well, I'm not sure that got the landing, so they will look at that. They for sure will look at that. To see if the elbow was up in the air. If the elbow was up.
I'd also look at the avoidance from Koga here.
They might just disqualify him for the use of the head there.
As Enktaivan is attempting to throw him, they've let that one go, maybe because he went on the side of the head. He was close to avoiding that. Yeah, don't know why Koga's putting his arms out. He got caught.
Enktaivan wins on that Wazari then. That Wazari. Koga can't believe it.
No, I'm okay with that at first look. You know, for the turn. No doubt we'll see the replay. Koga doesn't like it. Enktaivan thinks it's the best thing that's happened to him.
Yeah, let's have another look. Here we go. Anybody's score, of course, Enktaivan would get it. Let's just have a look. I don't know if he's going to have it in slow motion here.
He turns in.
Just about. Yeah. So just about gets the score there and wins the first of the bronze medals in the under 60 kilos category.
Yeah, a close thing. You know, could have gone either way there. Those borderline ones are always very difficult, and you're always going to have someone who's upset, and you're always going to have... I think we've got the awarding ceremony for the men in the under 60 kilo category coming up now, Neil. Let's have a look and see who it is that
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the medal ceremony for the men's under 60 kg category.
Mesdames et messieurs, la bienvenue aux médaillés de la catégorie masculine des moins de 60 kg.
The medals will be presented by the President of the Association of Summer Olympic International Federations, Mr. Francesco Riccibiti.
There you go.
Bronze medalists
Our
are
special guest
for France, Romain Valadier-Picard.
presenting the medals, and first of all the bronze medals, the
And
first
for Mongolia,
of which goes to
Enktaivan
Romain
Ayunbo.
Valadier-Picard of France. There's a bronze medal also for Enktaivan Ayunbo of Mongolia. There he is, one of the brothers.
Silver medalist
Silver medal
representing Russia,
goes to Ramazan Abdullayev of Russia.
And gold
The gold
medalist
medal goes
representing
to
Azerbaijan,
Balabay
Aghayev.
of Azerbaijan.
What a cracking technique that was from him.
Prize money
It was
and
always going to be
flowers will presented
something
by world champion,
special,
bronze
like you were
Olympic
saying
medalist,
earlier.
two-time
You know, it
European
was
bronze
it had
medalist
the
and
makings
vice
of
president the
an
French
Eastern Bloc
Judo Federation.
scrap. Look at that, very low, off the ground. Yoko Otoshi just directed it, didn't he, with the hands there. Brilliantly executed. Sleeve grip, lapel grip there, just making sure that he hits the ground. And the momentum that he got, power that he got from it, fantastic.
Prizes are being presented by Frédéric de Montfaucon. There's a name from the past. What an athlete he was, loved watching him.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national
Now
anthem of
the national
Azerbaijan.
anthem of
Mesdames et messieurs,
Azerbaijan.
veuillez vous lever pour l'hymne national de l'Azerbaïdjan.
Thank you very much. Now, family picture with VIP and judoka.
Et la photo officielle.
The official photograph with the VIPs and the 4 medalists in the under 60 kilo category. Vladir Picard, his dream came true. He fought at the Paris Grand Slam, and there he is on the podium. There's a lovely little story to go with that one, because he was refereed by a referee who told me that she dreamed of refereeing in the Paris Grand Slam. He doesn't know that, but when she walked out to referee him in the contest, I thought, look at that.
Yeah, he dreamt about it. He said, here he is with a medal, just out the cadets, bronze medal at the World